Hello everyone, and welcome back to another In the Kitchen recipe. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make smash burger sauce, a copycat recipe. And what gave me the idea to do this at home, the Sonic smash burgers. It's incredibly easy to make, so let's just jump right in. You will need salt, pepper, pickles, paprika, garlic powder. I can never say this correctly, but you're going to need that sauce there. Mayo, yellow mustard, and ketchup. To start off, I'm going to be dicing my pickles up. I do not like the little pickle skin. I've kind of cut that off, but I'm going to dice them up into little pieces. You're going to need 1 to 2 tablespoons of pickles, your choice. This recipe will make enough sauce for about 5 burgers. So the smash burger part of this is incredibly simple to make. Very thin, smashed out patties. They cook very quickly. They get kind of crisp and caramelized around the edges, and you can stack them. Once I have the pickles diced up, I just place them in a bowl. I put a little bit of salt in there, a pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper, half of a teaspoon of garlic powder, half of a teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to do about a teaspoon of the Worcestershire sauce, a little less than a teaspoon of mustard. And most of this, I've made this a few times. Some of this is kind of eyeballing it. And after you add your ingredients, you can mix this up, give her a little taste, and add more ingredients if you want to your preferred taste. For the ketchup, we're going to do a little under 1/4 of a cup. For the mayo, we're going to do a little less than half of a cup. We're going to mix all of that together. It's going to turn this really beautiful light orange color. It smells amazing, and let me tell you, you want to make this sauce a few hours before you cook your burgers. That way all of the seasonings, spices, all the ingredients that you use have time to marinate and mesh together, and it tastes amazing. This is amazing on burgers. Makes an amazing chicken nugget dip. And I just done a simple smash burger. I grilled my buns and I added 2 pieces of bacon. I have some cheese melted on the burger, put my sauce on it, and I made it extra drippy. It's delicious. I hope that you will try it out. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more In the Kitchen videos. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional In the Kitchen links.